Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 11, Tailor-Made for Year 6 pupils. Let's do grammar today. Our lesson standard is 5.1.6. Today, we are going to learn adjectives. Let's read this sentence. It is a long skirt. They hold a sharp sword. Do you see the two underlined words, long and sharp? Those are adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun such as a person, a place, a thing, or an opinion. If we look at these two sentences, the word long here describes the noun skirt, whereas the word sharp describes the sword. Now let's look at this one. It is a long skirt. Now read this sentence. It is a long skirt with a thick border at the bottom. We have two adjectives describing the same noun, which is the skirt. It is a glass building. It is a glass building owned by a rich man. In this sentence, we have two nouns. The first one is building, and the adjectives describing the building is the word glass, whereas our second noun is man. The adjective describing the man is the word rich. Let's do our first activity. Let's identify adjectives. I like spicy food. Can you tell me the adjective? Remember, an adjective describes a person, a thing, a place, or an opinion. What is the word that describes a noun here, the food? The answer is spicy. I have a great idea. The noun here is the word idea. So the adjective is the word great. He is my new classmate. First, you need to identify the noun, classmate. So what is the adjective? The word new. Can you please read this phrase? A brave old man. Can you tell me the adjective? How many adjectives do we have here? Two. The word brave and old. An ornately decorated shield. We have two adjectives. The first one is ornately, and the second one is decorated. Let's look at this phrase, a big brown bag. The adjectives are big and brown. Now, boys and girls, we can use more than one adjectives to describe one noun, but we must make sure we place the adjectives in correct order. Please look at this table. First, let us choose one noun. Our noun is a doll. Let's describe the doll. First, if you want to give an opinion about the doll, we must put it in the first. In this case, let's say this doll looks lovely. So the word lovely comes first. Next, we describe the size of the doll. The doll is tall. The third adjective is something related to the quality of the doll. We say the doll is beautiful. What about the age of the doll? It is an antique doll. Next comes the shape. Let's describe the shape of the doll. The doll is slim. Next, we put the color. It's a red doll. Next comes the origin. It's a Malaysian doll. And last is the material. What is it made of? It is made of paper. So boys and girls, when you have all this list, we can put all the adjectives as one, and it becomes like this. A lovely, tall, beautiful, antique, slim, red Malaysian paper doll. That's quite long, right? Because we have all the criteria. We have the opinion, the size, the quality, age, shape, color, origin, and the last is the material. Now, let us try a few questions. Let's describe the hair of this lady. Okay, the noun here is the hair. Let's talk about the shape. It's short. The color, it's black. So we have a short black hair. Do we have to put all the 8 criteria to describe a noun? No. You can have more than one. And at the same time, you don't have to have all the 8 adjectives to describe a noun. For example, a short black hair. We have 2 adjectives to describe the hair. Let's try another one. Okay, our noun here is a bowl. It's a huge bowl. We are describing about the size. What about the shape? It's a round bowl. and it is made of metal. So we have a huge, round, metal bowl. We have three adjectives here. The word huge, round, and metal. Let's try one more. Okay, let's describe this mirror. Okay, it is an expensive mirror. It is an antique mirror. The shape is rectangle. It is a rectangle mirror. And the material is silver. A silver mirror. So let's combine this and we have an expensive antique rectangle silver mirror. We have 4 adjectives to describe one noun. Okay, well done everyone. I hope the explanation helps you to understand better about adjectives. Now, it's time for you to complete your assignment. This is your homework for today. Please take your English textbook and turn to page 110. I want you to complete the second activity here on page 110. Okay, we have 5 sentences. We have 5 blanks. I want you to copy all the 5 sentences in your writing book and make sure you fill in these 5 blanks with adjectives in the correct order. You have the options here given. You look at the brackets. Okay, for example, look at number 1. It is a building. Okay, you have the first option is big round and your second option is round big. Which adjectives is in correct order? Okay, so you need to choose the correct adjectives in correct order and I want you to write in the blank. Make sure you underline your answers. Once you are done, please snap your work and WhatsApp me. Okay, that is all we have for you today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to complete the work given. Until then, take care. Hope to meet you soon. Bye bye, everyone.